Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Bitcoin having a big bounce back, hitting our stop loss. Unfortunately, the market having a big recovery, which is a good thing. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 down there on your phone. Hit that subscribe. We're about to hit 78,000. Everyone smash that subscribe button, push us up. Hit that thumbs up button to help the algorithm. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We'll look at the market. So this is Bitcoin having a big rebound, breaking out of the symmetrical triangle to the upside, which was unexpected on my part. I thought we would break to the downside here. We made a lot of money shorting Bitcoin lately, but a lot of volume. Look at this climbing volume coming in. Climbing volume, steadily climbing. Stochastic is overbought on the hourly. On the 4 hourly, it's not yet overbought, so this could run up more. RSI is also turned to head up. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side on the daily. Squeeze mob going to the first gray candle, switching to the green side, which is interesting. On the weekly, also starting to close the gap and start heading up. On the monthly, still in the red, but on the weekly, everything turning to head up, which is good news. RSI is also heading up on the 4 hourly. So we had this big breakout. Let's look at the overall pattern here. We've got a kind of W formation, a weird one, but a little bit of a W formation. It's right on this weekly resistance line at the $16,200 mark. But a strong kind of bounce here with a lot of volume coming in. It is still making lower lows, I would say. Low, lower low. But what a recovery. What a big bounce on this with a lot of volume. Kind of double bottoming there as well. If you actually see this, like a kind of double bottom and a W formation forming. Now we're at strong resistance here on the weekly. Squeeze mob is going to the green side. RSI is heading up. Stochastic has more to run on the hourly. It's overbought, but on the 4 hourly, so I would go long here after a retest, because that will form a cup and handle, kind of big cup and handle here. If we retest down here at 16,000, that would be a cup and handle to head up, and then the distance that we can head up from that cup and handle would be this distance here, which once it pulls back would give us. Let's see how much of a movement we'll get on this cup and handle. It would give us a movement of around. Target would be 16,600. So what I would expect is Bitcoin does a cup and handle now. Cup, handle, and then breaks out towards the 16,600. So I'd go long from that bottom position there. Stop loss just underneath here and take profit at the target. Oops. Let's reset this trade. So opening the trade from here, stop loss just underneath and take profit at the target. That gives us, let's make the stop loss a little bit lower so it doesn't close. That gives us a 3.57 risk to reward ratio trade. Let's open it once it comes down to 60. So to open at 16,026, stop loss at 15,840, take profit at 16,690, risking $186 to make $663. With 10x leverage, will be $6,600. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin over on Bybit. This trade here. If you want to trade Bitcoin, I'll share this in the Telegram group as well. In my free Telegram group, you can join it. It's in the description. That's the trade I would take on. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade this, underneath the video in the description down below, you can sign up to Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus when you sign up and use this link down below in the description. So go down in the description, sign up to Bybit. $30,000 worth of bonuses. You can also buy MCRT on there. You can short, long Bitcoin, and you can also trade Ethereum. Let's go into Ethereum now. Ethereum hitting our take profit, which is beautiful. From that last trade long a few days ago, it hit the, oh no, it's not hitting the take profit, it's halfway there. Big congratulations to anyone that took that trade. You're massively in the profits now. We longed from 1,094, now it's 1,134. If you took this trade, this is a big W forming on Ethereum. Look at this huge W formation on the 15-minute candles. Let's look on the longer term. Hourly, it's overbought, so it can pull back. Same cup and handle that we talked about. 4 hourly, it's not overbought, it's just getting started on the 4 hourly, which is interesting. Interesting chart on the 4 hourly. Stochastic heading up. We have that big recovery bounce. I would be going long here, but after a pullback, same as Bitcoin, back to this line. But that's a W formation. Look at this W formation on Ethereum. So that can move the base of the W. So this distance here, that distance there on technicals, on a little bit of a pullback, that would be the target. So I would go long here, but only after it pulls back and then take profit at this resistance here. I'll put the stop loss just underneath the daily support. So I'm risking $17 to make $94 with 10x leverage, $940 or 80% profit on this trade. 5.52 risk to reward ratio, opening at 1,122, stop loss 1,105, take profit at 1,217. That's a trade that I'll take on Ethereum. I'll share this in the Telegram group as well. If you want to join the Telegram group, underneath the video in the description down below, you can go to Telegram, free live alerts group, and you can learn all this in the crypto masterclass. If you've been losing money trading, if you've been buying stocks, cryptos, and you're losing money every time you're buying and not making money, you can take the crypto course with my 6,000 students and learn this technical analysis. Let's look at the total market cap of all cryptos, see what that is showing us. On the daily, this is the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. Oh, it's a little bit okay on the daily charts. So this will tell us what's going to happen to the overall cryptocurrency markets. We're back in the bear market trend line. Look at that. We're back in this red trend line that started in November 2021. We broke out, then this FTX scandal put us back in, and look how this red line has been there for months. And you can see how we broke out, came back in during the FTX crash, and then have been founding resistance here. But it looks like it's going to break out here actually. Why? Because you can see here it's making a descending triangle, or a kind of descending triangle. The base of the triangle is the distance that we could expect to break out, this distance here. So we could get a big breakout of the crypto markets here. Interesting. To do that though, let me grab the distance that we can break out would be targeting here, $873 billion to the total market cap of all cryptos. I would actually long the crypto markets from here. It's very oversold right now on the daily. Look at that, turning up on the daily, very oversold. Target will be 874 billion, so we're going to add about 110 billion to the crypto markets, which is very bullish. What we need is just follow through here. It looks very good to break out here, 816. Very good news for the crypto markets. Let's look at the Nasdaq now to see what the stock markets are telling us. Stock markets, let's look on the weekly. Very oversold on the weekly, heading up. We're in this kind of down, broadening, descending megaphone, which is a bullish pattern as well. Interesting. There's a few bullish signs here. I wonder what's going to happen. Is there going to be some announcement about Russian war or something like this? Some good news is about to come to the markets. Let's look on the daily. On the daily, we are oversold. We created W formation. It's rising. I think we're going to go on the Nasdaq to 11,831, and then possibly this resistance here. So we could get a movement now on the Nasdaq, looking bullish for the markets right now. Just a little bit of a recovery, it doesn't sound much, but that's around to the Nasdaq, which is top companies in America. It's about a 10% increase to the market cap. So that's what I think is going to happen, which is good news. Again, all that trading you can do in the description. Sign up below. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses and take the crypto master courses. There's a big promotion happening for Black Friday as well. I'll show you. Gurus, 1 week left. So Black Friday on the 25th of November, there will be 35% discount with a promo code. The first 150 people will be able to get the course for the first 6 hours from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. UTC. 35% discount on Stock Guru Master Course, Crypto Master Course, available for 6 hours to the first 130 people. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. This James Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.